55 shop towels per roll, 30 rolls per case. Each Scott shop towel is up to the task at hand with its 9.4 by 11 size. These bulk shop towels are designed for cleaning up grease, liquids, oils and spills in automotive repairs and garages. Each shop paper towel is ultra strong, durable and works well even when wet. Use them for changing oil, refilling fluids and general automotive maintenance. Whether you own an automotive shop, painting, detailing, or cleaning, are a DIY weekend warrior or are simply cleaning the garage, Scott shop towels original, blue, in standard rolls are a must in your list of supplies. These utility shop towels are ideal for changing oil, refilling fluids and general, multi-purpose automotive maintenance. They are the multi-purpose shop towels that can help you get just about any job done right. Plus, the convenient standard roll is portable, has perforated towels and fits on standard paper towel holders. Whether you're detailing, cleaning, staining, or polishing, trust Scott shop towels original to help get the job done. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. These paper towels live up to their claims. Good product, reasonably priced.